Okay guys, so we are picking up where we left off last time. I've just got my car repainted, all redone, and now we are at Driftcup at Teeside. I'm really excited. Hopefully we can get through to the seeded this time. But yeah, let's just see how it goes. So let's go and sign on and have some fun. Okay, so I've just signed on, we've just been to briefing, and I'm ready to finally take the fresh looking car out on track. Okay, so a few minutes in and the car is already on jack stands, which is unfortunate because my engine mount has broken. So my dad has just gone to see, because there's a BMW breakers near here, so he just break loads of BMWs, hopefully some E30s or E36s, might be the same, not quite sure. But trying to get a new engine mount. Mine's literally completely snapped. I'll see if I can get a shot of that for you guys now. Guys from Driftland have just come to give us a hand. It's just my engine mount. Yeah, completely gone. But someone else had one in the pits, so they've kindly given us that. So yeah, that's my engine mount completely gone. But we have a new one, so that's fine. But hopefully we can get back out on track. And my whole weight balance was off on my car. My gearbox felt weird. I was like, okay, I haven't driven in a while. Maybe it's just me. I'm just gonna get used to it. But no, it was that. But yeah, let's get it sorted. Okay, so we are now officially fixed. We're just getting the final few little bolts in, and then we'll be good. We'll be good to go out on track. It's actually going to be really warm. I thought it was going to be really rainy today, but luckily it's just going to stay nice and sunny, nice and warm for us, so that's really good. But let's go out on track. Okay, so that is qualifying done. I think I'm around 6th now, but we will find out at the little thing when they call out where everyone's come. I'm pretty sure I've qualified, which is always helpful. But yeah, anyway, let's go and see where I've come.
6th place, Stuart McClellan. 8th place, Jay Wilding. 7th place, David Goldstraw. 6th place, Damien Choppin. 5th place, Max Cotton. 4th place, Grant Belstaff, and a bonus point for 3rd place for Rob Black. 2 bonus points for Mr. Tom Van Beek. Our number 1 qualifier with a 90.7 run was Mr. Charlie Hughes. Well done, Charlie.
Okay, so I qualified 5th, and we've just been in the top 32 briefing. And I'm against George Barkley, who is in a 6th, absolutely amazing S13. So that is going to be a really interesting battle. We're both colour-coded quite nicely. So anyway, let's go out and do my battle.
Nice, pick him up the line. George Barkley right now, and he's back on for his initial That will be a 10-0 advantage to George going into the second half of that battle. We'll try stick it on his door the best he can with that
Absolutely.
little,
Let's be honest, none of us want to get owned by the 15-year-old.
definitely not. But Max here, absolutely no pace at all behind John Backley, and it looks like he's still got massive issues with that little E30 on a very, very, very low line on.
Okay, so it's been a while since I last vlogged. Unfortunately, I lost my battle due to my clutch being a bit weird. Now, as you might be able to see behind me, I have my front bumper, but no car. And that is because I've left my car at Teeside because there is someone there who is going to fix that. But then, after that, we're going to check whether it's working on the Pro Drift Day on Wednesday. So hopefully it's going to be fixed for then, because after that I'm not driving until Driftcup. But yeah, so congratulations to Charlie Hume who won. It was a great battle, like so close. Unfortunately Damien Choppin also went out with a mechanical failure. It happens to everyone, but it's just part of drifting. But I had a really good day, and yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.